know what I mean. And there will be a time your mommy, your nanay, your mama will come to my house because she has a heartache, there's some problems at home. And she will start to get out of that depression maybe. She'll start cleaning my house.
Very good. That's a very good cure for depression.
And she will clean my house. She come to my house to clean.
How about the clothes, Chapeli? You have to tell them also. The gowns.
Naku talaga, grabe nanay na. She says,
Par excellence.
par excellence talaga. Mahirang babae makaka-manage ng pamilya niyo. With 10 girls!
And everybody feels she's the favorite.
Everybody feels she's the favorite. She's the favorite. Oo.
Everybody feels.
Oo, kaya ang lola is always saying, ang lola, parang nakikita niya, no? Sabi niya, parang nothing is wrong, everything is okay.